check out this day. Right off the open, we had 4,400, broke straight through that, all the way down to 4,350. And everybody all week's been asking me, why are you hoarding cash? Why are you making some of these safer trades? Why are you getting out of some of these positions? And I just have to tell them, watch the videos. I explained all in the videos, but I'll explain it again. We've been battling over this 4,500 for some time. Around this 4,500, it'll break the 4,500. This isn't the right chart. It'll break through the 4,500, and then it'll dip under the 4,500, and then it'll go back and test the 4,500 and come right back down. Okay, and if we look at the chart here, this is the wrong chart too. I am all messed up this morning. Sorry about that. It is 7 o'clock in the morning on the West Coast, and that's where I am. Here it is right here. So see 4,500 right here, keeps testing, keeps testing. This is after a couple tests. And then you got this downtrend right here. And then you got, this is about an even day. You got this hard downtrend, and then it recovers a little bit. And just waiting for the break. Waiting for the break to finish this downtrend. And boom, there it is. Downtrend, low point. Lower high. So let's look at the lows. Boom, low, boom, low, boom, low. That's a trend. High, high, high. That's a trend. So we have this channel here of lower highs and lower lows, and it's going to stay in that channel till it breaks. And it kind of broke through the bottom of this channel today. Let's take a look and see where we're at. I think 43.30. 43.30 is the next level down. Yeah, 40. This is 43.30 right there. So it's got a resistance there, or it's got a support there, and this will be the third time it's testing that in the last 3 months. So hopefully it can hold that 43.30. If not, then the next level down is right here at 4,200. Luckily for us, there's a few supports on the way down where it can catch some buyers at, whereas before here there was no supports. See, there's no supports over here. I gotta go back further, but the market kept dropping and dropping and dropping all the way to the pre-COVID highs. So the pre-COVID highs here before we went on the uptrend. So that's why this one was so nasty, is because there's no supports. Now these kind of create supports here, and that's kind of where these numbers came from here. So it's really hard to explain sometimes what I'm looking at, just because it's just innate. I've just been doing it for so long. But let's look at a couple trades here. Powell, the other day while I was golfing, he announced some bad news that he's probably gonna have to raise rates one more time, and I think that was here at 2 o'clock, and was this catalyst here, and it just continued through the day. So that's straight to the downside. So it's gonna hurt banks when you raise rates. It messes up all their algorithms. So let's take a look at a couple banks here. This really isn't a bank, but it is a credit card type company. I like the 32 level on Synchrony Financial right here. There's support here. There's strong support over here at the 32 level. It is on a little bit of a downtrend right here, 40 and then 38 and then 36. But at this 32, it's gonna retest this 34 right here before it makes another turn. So let's take a look. Let me go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy it at 32. Like I said, I've just been hoarding cash just for today, or just for days like today. Go ahead and buy Synchrony Financial at 32. And if you remember, Synchrony Financial has only monthlies. So I'm gonna make a pretty penny on this one, especially if we hit up on the upside. If it retests is 34, I'm gonna have a decent amount of money because it'll all, if I sell the covered call right now, I already make 120 bucks. That's because it's a month out and it's a little volatile. So that's a good one here. Always, always, always. I love KeyBank. I love their dividend. They're a solid company, and also this 11 is a very nice number to get in at. I'm always trying to buy at this 11 because see how it acted as a resistance here, and then it acted as a support, and it's gonna act like a support one more time. It did dip under all the way to 1050, and I pulled in some of at 1050 over here and over here, but 11's just as good because that's a solid level. And let's look at the options here at 11. Not much there, but this is only one day away. It's Thursday, so we'll be looking at the last trading day. 11, decent premium there, 2%. I'll take it. Let's go ahead and buy this because this is what I've been saving cash for. Buy. And then as soon as this bounces, tomorrow or the next week, then I'm gonna go ahead and sell these covered calls, make some money. All right, I will be back in Cleveland this after or tonight.